Good morning. Thank you all for coming to this. I believe it's going to be a great workshop for today and tomorrow. First, I would like to send the regards of Ed Benz, who is the chair of the NCPF, who was not able to be here today. He'll be here tomorrow, but I and Roger stepping in his shoes to actually make the introduction. So bear with me, this is a very difficult job and I'm going to go through it slowly. So first, I would like to thank the National Cancer Policy Forum for their tremendous work and for their usual ability to put very great workshops together that usually come out with great recommendations, great books. The forum provides a continual support for the National Academy of Sciences and Engineering, and it actually helps in formulating some policies and advice to Congress. The other thanks I would like to make is for the wonderful planning committee that worked with us on putting this workshop together. The names are here. You see all of them. They're really phenomenal. And specifically, I would like to thank Roger, who was a wonderful co-chair and made my life and the life of the committee much easier. With that in mind, I would wish you really a wonderful 2 days. Now, why did we put this workshop together? NCPF looks usually into emerging areas in science and what could be areas that of high and hot potential in the future that requires some thinking out of the box and how to advise policymakers and how to advise legislators into what need to be done to make one, progress better, and second, with less hurdles. So checkpoint inhibitors have been exploding with a major impact on, one, the health of the patients, second, the industry, and third, economics. There are many things that are developing and evolving within this area, particularly that some people believe probably and specifically anti-PD-1, PD-L1, which we're concentrating on in this conference. We're not concentrating on checkpoints, but on anti-PD-1 and PD-L1 may have reached a plateau by being used on its own. The potential for combination is humongous. We are failing with lots of those combinations moving forward. And what are we doing right? What are we doing wrong? And how we need to take the field forward to make the progress that is needed with the least amount of waste, both in funding and in patient experience. With that in mind, we put those 2 days together. Roger will go through the agenda and will explain what we're going to be doing. But we collected really amazing group of scientists and experts in the field. And we hope by the end of those 2 days, we'll come up with some sort of guidelines. Well, we're not in the business of putting guidelines, but at least some sort of recommendations or thoughts, expert thoughts, to potentially put, one, a white paper together, but second, of course, the NCPF staff usually put amazing books that you'll see some of them outside that would help moving the field forward. With that, I would like to hand it over to Roger that will go through the next 2 days. Thank you.